Results has showed that the ZPM is now has owned the 1 seat and leading another the 25 seats.
Yeah.
Sir, what is your first reaction?
I'm not surprised. This is what I expect.
Yeah, sir. Now the ZPM is now going to form the next government in Mizoram by getting the absolute majority seats.
Let the full result come out. Let's wait for that, because this is the counting process is going on. I think it is too early.
But sir, you are also leading in your own constituency.
Yeah, I know.
What do you want to say? What do you say about this?
No, at this stage I don't want to make any comment. Let the final result come out.
But all the rounds have been, several rounds have been already conducted, and just few rounds have been left.
Yeah.
The ZPM is now become the single largest, not the single largest.
It's likely.
It is the biggest party.
Yeah.
The biggest party with the absolute majority.
Yeah, it's likely to be.